Life always have two aspects, yin and yang balance together. In breath, out breath. When I do Qigong, first of all, I allow myself to relax and allow myself to rest. When you can move the body, you reinforce the energy and you come back to yourself to heal. And first healing element is relaxing and resting. I combine my breathing with my movements, and then look like I bring my mind back to my body. My body is my movements of my hands, my breathing, right? But I bring my mind, my awareness back to my body, in my heart of the body, my abdomen, dantian. So when I'm breathing in, I always feel the energy here, the dantian area. So that's what makes my mind balance. My mind come back in my body, and I just feel kind of you are alive. So that is the balance of the body, balance of the mind. That is 5 minutes every day, 10 minutes every day. You make your mind and your body balance again. When I do Qigong, I offer the space for me to make energy flow again. Energy flow here is the blood, the Qi, the blockage, unlock the blockage. But at the same time that help you to flow the energy in you too. You release all the stress at the same time. You offer smile to yourself, and when you relax and when you are rested, and then healing happen. When you can move the body, okay, you can reinforce the energy and you come back to yourself to heal. And first healing element is relaxing and resting. I enjoy the breathing, but at the same time a lot of healing actually. Nature itself, there is elements of healing already. So when I do Qigong, first of all, I allow myself to relax and allow myself to rest. You may stand in, 2 legs parallel together. Start to put your 2 hands together on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and feel your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in, falling when you breathe out. You feel your 2 legs, your feet on the ground. You feel the Mother Earth with you. Feel connected to Mother Earth. Feel and listen to the sound of the waterfall. Feel calm and at ease with the nature. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Now you can open your palms. Breathe in deep. Bring your mind back to the body. Breathe out. Release tension from the body. Continue. Inhale deep. You may breathe in and out through the nose and relax the body, okay? Out. Release tensions. In. Out. In. Out. Breathe in. Deep. Out. Within your hands from your chest, without your breath in front of you. Cultivate energy in front of you. Breathe in and out 3 times to feel your energy calm, at ease. Cultivate energy of peace. Feel your 2 palms. In. Out. Breathe in, bring your hand to your chest, and out you press your 2 palms, 2 sides, and then you look to the left. Okay. 4 3 times of breathing. Relax your left hand. cultivate energy from your left side. Now look to the right. Relax your right palm. Offer a smile to yourself. Breathe in, out for 3 times. Breathe in, bring your hand to your center. Breathe out, press your hands upward. You look up to the sky. Follow breathing in and out 3 times. Relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Breathe in. Turn your hands down. Breathe out. Release tensions. Breathe in, your hands up. Raise up the toes. Out, release tension. Okay, in. Inhale. Right palm on your heart and left palm on the lower abdomen. Try to feel your heart, to feel your lower abdomen. To feel calm with your body. To feel grounded with your mind. To feel calm in your heart, in your body. And to feel at ease in your mind. The waterfall make your body and your mind feel very at ease, calm, and release all tensions from the body. Feel grateful to your body. Feel grateful to your heart, your lungs, your internal organs. And you offer a great big smile to yourself, to your body, and to your mind. Feel joy to be alive. Feel grateful to be alive. Thank you to the body. Thank you for being there. Breathe in deep.